tumbled leather. What's going on, everybody? General 315 back again, another sneaker review video for y'all, and today we have an early look at the Jordan 11 Low white cement joints, or university blue, white, university blue, white, gray, university blue. I'm not sure what the colorway is going to be called, but I keep finding white cement on Nice Kicks and things like that, and that's the colorway that we're looking at here. These are slated to release this spring. They have a release date of April 1st. I'm not sure if that's the tentative date, but that's what we're gonna go with. So let's say April 2023, these are coming out. So we got about a month and a half-ish to go, and then we're gonna get this shoe. So this is pretty dope. We got a nice cool gray kind of vibe. It's not actually the cool gray. The cool gray is a little darker than this, but this is still a really nice shoe. I'm not so sure if this is gonna be a women's release or just a general release. It kind of has a women's release vibe to it to me, but this is an early look, so let's just take a quick look at it before I get started breaking down the shoe. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Make sure you share the video with your family and friends, thumbs up the video, all that stuff that everyone else says in their videos. Please do that here. Follow me on Instagram for all the latest and greatest updates. Check out the Reels page. The Reels page is popping. Got a lot of good shoes on there. If you guys are interested to go look at that, please do go have a look at that Reels page. And last but not least, make sure you guys follow us in the Discord. The Discord link is in the description. We have a really good community in there. We help each other find shoes. We trade shoes with each other. We even buy shoes from each other. So go ahead and follow us in that Discord. The link is in the description. All right. So I'm not going to spend too much time on this shoe because it's a Jordan 11. It's a Jordan 11 Low. A lot of people don't like Jordan 11 Lows. I like them both. I don't really have a preference with Jordan 11s. Jordan 11 isn't my favorite shoe, but it is one of the shoes that I like, okay? I'm a big Jordan 14 person, but I do like the Jordan 11s. It's just not my favorite, you know what I'm saying? But having a nice springtime looking shoe is actually pretty cool. So let's just jump right into this. So doing a brief once over, we got some gray on the patent leather. We do have that ballistic mesh netting on the top. We have our eyelets here. Those look pretty cool. We have a white midsole. We got icy outsole there. And we have a gray sock liner. And then we have some hits of light blue or baby blue, university blue. We have some hits of that as well in the shoe, so not bad. We got white laces. There's no different color laces or anything like that on these. And the outsole is gray with the university blue. So taking a closer detailed look. On the lows, I really like the lows because they do this lower cut patent leather. You really can't do a high cut patent leather on the low. So I do like that. Toe box looks pretty good. Nothing bad there, nothing to complain about. Now this patch of gray, this gray is a lot lighter than the cool grays. So I want you guys to make sure you pay attention to that. This gray, it looks nice too. It's kind of like a wolf gray almost. It's really light, not too dark. So that's definitely dope. I do like the patent leather cut, looks good. We do have a patch of leather in the back. Now this is a synthetic leather. It's not really spectacular, but it's there. You know what I mean? It's nice for a heel counter, so not bad there. We do have our Jumpman in the back right there in that university blue. And then we have our 23 there. Now, I'm not sure if they're gonna add anything different with this shoe. This is an early look. We do have our white midsole, that's pretty standard. And then the outsole is icy blue. We got some more of that wolf gray. This looks a little darker than what's on the patent leather, but it's cool. Got our Jumpman peeking through there, and there's our carbon fiber vibes. You guys can see all that. It's nice. I'm not gonna scratch it. I normally do. I don't see what that does for you guys, but there you go. There it is right there. Very minimalistic, very nice though, very nice though. Here's the medial side of the shoe right here. So nothing spectacular, still super nice, you know what I mean? There's our ballistic mesh, looks very nice. I love that pattern in there. There is our third spacing. I'm not gonna move anything, but there it is right there. And then you guys can see that, there's the Jumpman. Got the standard laces. Here's our shoe tree right here. Nothing crazy. And here is our insole right here. We have a University blue insole with a Jumpman, and it is polyurethane, so nice and squishy, good stuff. You know, nothing bad there. So you know you're gonna have pretty good comfort. I got these in a 10.5. I have this stamp or something like that on the inside, so I don't know what that is, but that's there as well. There's the tag right there. And then on the back of the tongue, you still have your tag, your quality basketball products inspired by the greatest player ever. So definitely nothing too different from my high top version of the shoe. Pretty standard stuff. So if I had to rate the shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd probably give this one a solid, I'd give it a 7.5. I'm not really too crazy over the cool gray colorway or the grays. I don't wear a lot of gray, but I do like it, and I think that a lot of people will like this shoe, so I'll give it like a 7.5 for the colorway. Construction and materials, very nice. I don't see any flaws, nothing crazy. The black light was good. Construction and materials, I'll probably give it an 8.5, 9. It's very good quality product. Okay, so these come out, like I said, in April this year, so be ready. I don't see a lot of people going after these because the cool grays recently came out, but I do see a lot of women going after these because it's a low. It does have a female vibe to it, in my opinion, but it is a very neutral shoe. So that's all I got for this one, y'all. Hope this was informative for y'all. Y'all stay humble. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.